How do bile ducts work in your liver? Have you ever wondered how your liver processes the fats you eat? One key player in this process is the bile duct system. Bile ducts are a network of small tubes that are crucial for transporting bile, a digestive fluid made by your liver. Bile helps break down fats, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. The journey of bile begins in the liver, where specialized cells known as hepatocytes continuously produce it. This bile is first collected in tiny channels called canaliculi. These channels merge into larger ducts within the liver, known as intrahepatic bile ducts. As these ducts combine, they form the right and left hepatic ducts, which come together outside the liver to create the common hepatic duct. From the common hepatic duct, bile has two main pathways. It can either flow directly into the common bile duct, which leads to the small intestine, or it can be diverted into the gallbladder through the cystic duct for storage. The gallbladder plays a vital role by storing and concentrating bile until it is needed for digestion. When you eat fatty foods, the gallbladder contracts and sends the stored bile back through the cystic duct into the common bile duct. This bile then enters the small intestine, specifically the duodenum, to help digest those fats. The point where the common bile duct meets the pancreatic duct is called the hepatopancreatic ampulla. Here, bile is released into the small intestine, and this process is controlled by a muscular valve known as the sphincter of Oddi. This valve opens to allow bile to flow when it is needed for digestion. The bile ducts are lined with specialized cells called cholangiocytes. These cells do more than just transport bile. They also modify it by absorbing and secreting various substances. This helps maintain the right composition of bile. Cholangiocytes play a significant role in liver health, responding to injury and potentially aiding in liver regeneration. From a health perspective, the proper function of bile ducts is essential. If bile ducts become damaged or obstructed, it can lead to a condition called cholestasis, where bile flow is blocked. This can cause liver injury and increase the risk of serious conditions, including cholangiocarcinoma, a type of bile duct cancer. Understanding how bile ducts work is important for recognizing liver health and managing diseases that affect bile flow. In summary, bile ducts collect bile produced in the liver, transport it to the gallbladder for storage or directly to the small intestine, and regulate its releases to aid in digestion. Keeping the bile duct system healthy is vital for overall liver function and preventing liver-related diseases.